Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this application requires iOS 27 or later issue on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you're trying to download some apps from your Apple store but you're facing this issue and you're unable to download and install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update, and from here update your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply wait for some time, and after this the update will be appeared here, and then you have to simply download and install this update to your device for one time. So guys, simply do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download and install apps on your Apple device or iPad very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.